السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد. Respected Ustads and all my dear friends, today we are gathered here to the program of our Dilkish 2024 and 25. Today I appear before you to enlighten the audience regarding to the Islamic perspective of peace and social justice. Islam is a religion based upon the submission to the will of Allah, provides a scheme for creating a peaceful society based on the transcendence and race, religion and nationality. Peace in Islam. The nomenclature of our faith is Islam, which is derived from the root word salam, meaning peace. The Quran emphasizes peace as a divine attribute, in as much as Allah is a salam, the source of peace. Islam calls upon its followers to live in harmony with themselves, their neighbors and the environment. The Quran says, وَلَا تُفْسِدُوا فِي الْأَرْضِ بَعْدَ إِصْلَاحِهَا وَادْعُوهُ خَوْفًا وَطَمَعًا إِنَّ رَحْمَةَ اللَّهِ قَرِيبٌ مِنَ الْمُحْسِنِينَ. They spread not corruption on the earth after it have been set in order, but call on him with away and hope. God's mercy is too close to those who do good. This verse reveals an important role for each one of the believers to bringing peace to society and shunning their corrupt nature against the set order. Social justice in Islam. Social justice is the path of Islam. The Quran and Sunnah are all inclusive guidelines for being fair, equitable and dignified to all. Justice is constantly emphasized. The Quran says, إِنَّ اللَّهَ يَأْمُرُكُمْ أَن تُؤَدُّوا الْأَمَانَاتِ إِلَى أَهْلِهَا وَإِذَا حَكَمْتُم بَيْنَ النَّاسِ. For economic justice through the principle of sadaqah and zakat. We all know that if in this world the peoples they are giving the sadaqah and zakat, then there will not be a poor peoples in this world. Zakat is the rights of the poor peoples. We want to give that. If all the peoples are thinking to give the zakat and sadaqah, then there will not be a poor people in this world. The Prophet ﷺ, he lived his life as a peace and justice. For example, at the time of the Hudaybiyah, there was a problem. But at that time, it's over with a peace way, in a good manner. Islamic contribution to the social justice. Islam abolished oppressive practices such as slavery and economic exploitation. It's based gender discrimination, and it calls on the protection of orphans and the rights of women, fairness in trade. And Allah says that يا أيها الناس إنا خلقناكم من ذكر وأنثى وجعلناكم شعوبا وقبائل تعارفوا إن أكرمكم عند الله أتقاكم إن الله عليم خبير. We have created you from the male and female and made you into a nation and trade, and so that you may know one another. This verse confirms equality among all human beings, stating that poverty and character, not wealth or race, make a person noble. So we all know that Islam is a peace religion and justice. Jazakallah khair for listening my speech. May Allah guide you as to become justice and peace advocates in respective communities. Now I am concluding my words. Thank you. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.